Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Beaver, Butler, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. The forecast for Pittsburgh and northern surrounding counties, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Cloudiness. And finally, highs around 40. Southwest winds 10 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows around 30. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Thursday, partly sunny in the morning.
Well, I got WWG 5-3 as well. And that was a success. And now we'll wait for State College, which tests at 11:10. See you then.
The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 5-3, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Fort, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXN 33. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding into an alert system. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding into an alert system.